Despite the popularity of farmers markets, CSAs, and farm-to-table businesses, getting access to local foods can still be a challenge for some consumers. Growing vegetables and making that a sustainable business model might be equally challenging for individual farmers. So that's where something like a food hub comes into play, a central location for farmers to aggregate, store, market, and distribute their vegetables directly to people who want locally grown foods. The idea of a food hub is not a new thing. Iowa has several, including North Iowa Fresh.
In North Iowa, there's just not very many CSAs. And I think people were really looking for a way to get products from the farms. So North Iowa Fresh is a group of producers that work together to aggregate their products so that they can sell it to individuals through our Bounty Box program and then have it delivered to sites across North Iowa. So we serve about 7 different communities across North Iowa. We deliver to Mason City, Clear Lake, Garner, Forest City, Belmont, Clarion, and Sheffield.
These ones are really nice. Yeah.
It's really nice for farmers to be able to really grow the crops that they're good at growing and that they like to grow.
The chard is so amazing. It's so tough, it handles all this heat and it stays so beautiful.
And not have to grow the whole suite of everything that might go into a CSA during a year. So for us to work together, each farm brings in the items that they're good at growing, that their soils are well suited for, and they can really get the best from each farm into an aggregated box.
So I think usually then we pass it down the line, right? Is that how you guys are doing it?
My ground is suited for the root crops. And I don't have to be raising multitudes of different. I love it that I can be the carrot supplier and the cabbage supplier, parsnip and potatoes, onions, that kind of thing.
We all work in our own farms with our own systems and then we're trying to figure out how to do it together. That's really hilarious. So North Iowa Fresh, I lose track of how many producers. I think we have about 8 to 10 full producers.
Oh, the large?
Probably a bag of.
They're involved in the annual planning and production commitment. So it's been fun to see that expand and try to grow a platform that is providing more product for the full plate, bit by bit.
So there's a couple of really great things about working together with helping the producers sell more and get more products to the customers to people who are looking to find local food.
We have yellow beans currently. Green beans are about 2 weeks out as well, but then...
I think giving an option for people that can't make it to farmers market.
Seeing this stuff here, I finally got on the nip.
Good.
On the order. Yeah.
Good.
So having another option for producers to get their products to the customer, I think is really rewarding.
I think we have just enough, right, Ron?
No, I get some extra.
Kind of been a really great fit for everyone, I think.